Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, family. Today it's Sunday. Yeah, we're up on the work as usual. So we are headed to North Side. And we just passed Owen Roberts International Airport in Grand K. Yeah, so we're up on the road this morning. On the road this morning, and of course I'm feeling much better now. After taking so many home remedies, definitely feeling stronger this morning. Yeah, whole heap of home remedy, and the father helped, straight me this morning. So as I say, what if we go North Side? Yeah. Actually, I felt like just chillax today, but no, I have to work. Just, on the work same way. Work hard now, I retire early. That is it. The sticker stayed away on a journey to North Side on a Sunday morning. The road kind of busy on a Sunday morning still. Very busy. People out and about. So let's see how quick we can reach on the outside and match up some work. Okay, so stick and stay. I'm going away. Yes, peeps, I have to take a detour down into Spots Newlands because they're actually fixing the road up there. Just remember I never video while going up there. So I didn't realize a detour. So we take a detour through Spots Newlands. Because today is Sunday, so they might take it's Sunday. Because Sunday the road is less busy. Monday morning it's gonna be crazy, so they might fix the road. Which is the road is not that the road full of pothole or nothing like that. Just that in Cayman, whenever time the road get too rough, like, yeah, even like how this looking, it look rough. Yeah, when the road get rough, what they do, they would resurface it, dig it up back and fix it. So the road now, also now full of pothole or anything like that for them fix it. And just resurface the road because the road did a long time, and so yeah, then things said serve the time. So they just dig up here and resurface it back. That's why the road that came on so good. You know what I say? Because it is well made properly. All the water cycle on the road that came on when the rain fall, but yet still the road not dig up no pothole in the road even after the rain. Because it is well done. Well made. Big up Cayman government. Good job. Yeah, so everybody else will go through there, so. Yes, man. There's something to go? Or this so? No, when there's something to turn, not this something should I go. This something should I go. I drive here, so all the way people, so I follow them man. Now this something to go. Oh boy. I know better. Because if you have a rougher vehicle, you drive grass about a turn off, you see the right here, so if you come across here, but they cut it off and put you up there so. Anyhow there, Newlands. See oncoming traffic. Take your time and go on. Yes, Steve, so the back on the road again. Then time reach up to something that I forgot to turn. Right, see? This is where I should have drive, Steve. Right across here. Or here. Here's where I'm supposed to drive. I'm gonna follow them the driver there and drive down there. So And up so I drive all the while I drive up here so I know the road. So now I have to go so and go back right. Even them road this road used to be like a 1 lane. And turn it into 2 lane, and possible that they might turn it into 3 because there's all the traffic jam up here at times. There used to be a lot of traffic up here based on because it's one lane. And so now traffic up here no because the road, as I said, the road are fixed. Even though today is Sunday, the road are fixed. So everybody driving have to drive this way, have to take a detour to drive here. Yes, fam. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere. Show no what go on the road on a Sunday morning in a Grand Cayman. Yeah. So they are Newlands. Yeah. Oh, we're headed to Savannah. Then go to Baden Town. Then yeah, we'll go Baden Town. So stick on. Yes, babes, finally come through the traffic and we're on our way. So all the vehicles that take the highway. As I was saying, this is a detour now. All the vehicles have a detour. So up here it's gonna be extremely busy on Sunday morning. Very busy. Very busy, folks. Yeah, so can't stay on. Show no what go on. So we are Savannah. We are in Savannah, heading to Baden Town. Yeah, and this is countryside. That is countryside. What is it? It's called countryside. No, why so they call it country corner. Country corner. Ah boy. Yeah. What is it? It's fairly new. Yeah. So yes, peeps, it's a Sunday morning. The street is busy, more than usual. More than usual. I can feel the heat. So you see all on the road, see speed limit there on the road itself. Not just on a sign, but on the road. So you drive over the speed limit. Yes, babes. This is it. I know where the Lower Valley. We are in Lower Valley. Baden Town, Lower Valley. Walk on carry over the side, eh? Yeah. More time, traffic there a lot on this road during the week, like in the evenings or so, because there's 1 lane if you go up, 1 lane if you come down. Not like West Bay, the best place to live on island. You know, we have choices with the road. You can take the highway or the bypass. Take the highway for once. So this is more like the country area, as I told you, countryside. So nice houses up the same way. Over there, so they always do some form of farming. Yeah. Yes, babes. Over there, Baden Town now. Baden Town. So you got Beach Bay. So as you know, it's a Sunday morning. Oh. Public bus to run, nice Sunday morning here. Because later, yeah, they can't get none on the road. Thing about living up here, so you need a ride. You need to have your own ride, or else you're gonna wait long on a public bus. Baden Town now, peeps. Baden Town. Yes, peeps. And years ago I used to work over here. It's a big farm. Cow and goat and pig and sheep and they have a restaurant over there. So I used to work on that farm. Yeah. That farm is where I broke my hand in 2013. Yeah, so I used to live up this side back in 2013. And over there is Baden Town Primary School. Going up something like a hill. Yeah, not something like a hill, more like a little hill. Yeah. And as I say in Cayman, you don't have to go far to see the beach. That's the beach. That's the beach. Yes, peeps, and I used to work with a brother live right here, so to landscaping with him back in 2016. And that is the beach, peeps. Beach active. It's a public beach. Baden Town public beach. And it looked like we might get some rain today. Sky kinda look cloudy on this side. The peeps, the road busy this Sunday morning here. Alright, continue to say man, what time now? Let me see. 11:36 now. So it's minutes to 12. So by 2:30 I'm supposed to be coming down back, roughly. Yeah. And this is the view, peeps. When you live near the sea. This is it. Caribbean view. Beautiful. sell us a pine. I'll stop there, I come back and say I get a pineapple. Yeah. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Yes, peeps, we're still on the journey. Yeah. Still up on the journey. Yeah. And now we reach Breakers. We are in Breakers now. Place beautiful. Island in the front. Yeah. Beautiful. It's the lighthouse, yeah? This is the lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. Why the bus are there all the way up the road like this? On the reverse? You know, I don't understand why them people are so stupid. Why not reverse in instead of reverse out into a major road? Anyway, peeps, stick and stay, yeah? Yes, peeps, reach on north side. We are in north side, peeps. And look on the sky. Look like we'll get rain. Look like we're gonna get rain. Looks like we might get rain, peeps. Yeah. So we can reach and do what I do for the rain. Yes, peeps. And as usual, I'm not driving fast. I'm just going at moderate speed. Yeah. And this is a high school. Fire station. Let me see now. Let me see. Let me go again. It's a new apartment over here, so full up already. So we're almost there. Counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And we turn into Union Street, peeps. This thing about Cayman, every street have name. That's Union. This is Union Street. Those people just tell the name of the street and live, oh, like somebody said live at Union Street and must say, alright, 28 Union Street. So you know, say, you come at Union Street, I look for the house, 28, and it's very easy to find, like that. Can't last. And like in Jamaica, what I say, well, after you pass the blue house, you grease at the green one, with the coconut tree in the front of your yard. Yeah. Oh boy. Here, so just tell the name of the street and the house number you find with ease. Yeah. Very easy. You see, let me add there. Everything there, coconut, everything. Stick and stay, peeps, and go nowhere. So yes, peeps, I'm back in town, heading back to West Bay, and it's a Sunday. Didn't record when I come back because I was bringing a customer to pick up another vehicle. And you don't want to record. You don't want to record everybody. Everybody don't want to be on camera, so I never record when I come back. I'm not going to record my customer, I didn't want that. Yeah. So we're back in Georgetown. Yeah. Almost Eastern Avenue to be exact. Yeah, it's after 2 now. Going to 3 now, almost 3 o'clock. Yeah, almost 3 o'clock. And then I go cook now. Yeah, so that's a regular Sunday in a Grand Cayman. Yeah. So stick and stay, please. Yes, oh. Good? Yeah, man. Yes, please. This is my dinner. And breadfruit. And brown stew, some fish. Yeah, so I'm just coming back from off the road. Yes. And look at the fish at the fridge now. Yeah. So yes, peeps. I better look like grandfather, son. My grandfather. Actually, you go on and swim, peeps. Him swimming across. He just come out of the water. I'm crawl out. This one turtle, eh? Turtle right beside him, look. See one underneath there, and the one that just come out of the water, and this one turtle nearby. Wow. One look big like grandfather. Think of grandfather. Yes, peeps, so this is my beautiful backyard. When I get up in the morning and come around here, this is what I see. So beautiful, isn't it? Beauty of the Caribbean. And I just come around the back here. Yep. I look on the jelly tree. Yes, this is the beauty of the Caribbean. And I look up on a jelly tree. I see a jelly. Look at this, we're in the world. I can't see this, peeps. Where else in the world? I'm gonna just reach up. And I'm a little bit too short. So I'm gonna just reach up. And pick up this one. Let's see if someone just reach up and pick off this one. Yes, and because just come in, belly feel away, I just want a young jelly to drink. So I'm gonna chop this and drink it. Stick and stay. Yeah, beauty of living in the Caribbean. You see that, peeps? I meet my night. But it's delicious. It's very delicious. No meat, but it's delicious. Yes, peeps. Beauty of living in the Caribbean. So now, peeps, I have 2 snapper. The one that's snapper, number the one anyway, winchman or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to fry it and cook it down. Yeah. Only 2 fish I have left in my fridge. Fish then done. So I came home from work a long time, but I'll get some sleep. So at night now, like after 8 now, I just wake up hungry. So I'm gonna see how fast I can mash up that. And some breadfruit earlier in the stove. So that's dinner on a Sunday evening. Especially I'm hungry now. So let me see how quick I can mash up this now. Stick and stay. I'm gonna wait. So here's space. So I deal with this quick and fast. Put up some carrots and some Irish and tomato and some onion and the fish first, because right now is not even the good time to get in the kitchen. Best time to get in the kitchen because mosquito. Yeah, mosquito in the kitchen like wow. Come on. So do it quick and fast. But it's not best to cut off the seeds in your hand because you end up cutting off your fingers. Yeah. But true, I can't really use a cutting board now. Come on by the kitchen fast. You can't stay. Some garlic. Yeah. That's me some garlic. And so far the flow is actually leaving me completely now. Not fully complete yet. Still. See the way you see me. But you know, it's going. So that's what you say. Your body can actually fight flu without your body can fight flu without any form of medication, because I didn't take not even one pill. And I didn't have to lay in bed that time at all either. And my body completely fight it. Yeah. Mosquitoes. Yeah, my body fight the flu, just see. Get to call them a person who sweat a lot as soon as I start work. Or I'm in an enclosed area where I never get enough breeze, I start to sweat. So I sweat a lot. Yeah, I do sweat a lot. I have a small piece of sweet pepper. I have to use it too. And like I said, I'm frying them two fish, then I put them down. Yeah. Now itching. Quick and fast. Yes. Quick and fast. And I can come out like kitchen because I must sit here. Real vampire them. Back by time. And just got me some, I don't want to call that onion, red onion. Bring some pepper. Don't put the pepper not too hot. And just cut up the whole of it. I look like I'm sweating. Once me in the kitchen, I'm going to be sweating. Oh, I'm sweating. And these mosquitoes, I hate them. There, Steve. I see money must just spray it. Normally spray mosquito, there's no spend together, they don't know what one. We have a frozen onion, tomato. This is a local tomato. Just around the fridge, so we use it. You don't know, like to get so much water the other day. There is no getting a local produce. Right about now, so I will see what it is now. This is some seasoning I practically made a while ago. Hopefully watching my hands and the vampire and stuff like that. These vampires are biting. So it's not a lot of season, so I'm not sure what's it. Put my dry tape on the fish. So, done. And whenever time I'm looking about fish, I cut off the fin then. You know, film them, cut up your hand. So I cut up the film them so you can actually use my hand to rub all the season. So there is no fill on it, so nothing like that to cut up the film them. Okay, so this is it. Fish ready. You know? So this is ready for fry. So I'll fry it and then I'll cook it down. So stick and stay for that. I'm going away. So yes, the oil look hot now. So the fish you make oil look hot. Hot, yeah. So brushing it now. Yeah. Let's do it, so fish are fried. I'm still across the screen like some fly. With my naked eye, I'm not feeling. Oh. Like so I'm sitting up across the screen on the camera, but with my naked eye, I'm not seeing them. Oh. Like that. I'm going to stick on straight. So yes peeps, I'm going to peel the breadfruit. Let's peel the breadfruit. And put it down. Just let it roast out evenly. Sure, let's roast it. It's peel them fat, I should say. You know, some put them down even. It's a lot of coal in them. And I'm going to fry it over. Let us fry it. Should I fry it? Let me see. I feel like frying it. Let me see if I feel like frying it. I don't think I'm gonna fry this. First now I'm going to the kitchen. I must put it in. And then you can get some layers. So this is breadfruit. It is breadfruit season all in the Caribbean. Breadfruit and mango. Now I'm going to fry that over. Let's see, stick on stay. Let's see, fish ready to cook now. So I'm going to take out the fishes. Yeah. Let me show. I'm in our roast fried breadfruit then. Say I wasn't ready to fry the breadfruit, but we can't be mad on Friday. I am going to fry it. Yes. When I go for cooking season. season, okay. Brown stew the fish. So in the kitchen I just move it on quick and fast. Very, very fast. Put my tongue over the rice. Do that. Get ready to make it hot. Same time. This is not the best thing to fry, nothing enough, because it sticks very easily. So let's make it a little bit of cook. And then put a little fish, whole fish in there. So grab the fish, eat the fish. So as I said, move it on fast. Quick and fast, it's about up something. Fast and fast. Something will get burned up if you don't move fast. Yeah. I don't know all the fire. I know to handle the fire. Know to handle the fire. That's my name, oil fire. Yes, peeps, so stick and stir as this one simmer down. Then we can put in the fish. Not gonna wait. So yes, peeps, I'm ready for the fish now. Two fish in there. Yeah. Should even do it now. Yeah. So, heat for 5 minutes. And then dinner is served. Simple as that. Dinner will be served shortly. Over the top. You go and simmer down. Stick and stay. I don't know. So here's peeps. Food right now. It's sharing time. So of course I'm gonna sit down and first. Yeah. To go. So just enough gravy, not too much. I'm gonna make it too watery neither. Gravy just sticking up because of breadfruit. Sticks and breadfruit there.
One kilo there too, right? One person will kill when they shoot out the truck.
I don't know.
Yeah, one day.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
I said, go Trump, what thing in about 20 feet, quite 20 feet out, right through. You understand me? Because I've got it like this, right? So if anyhow you turn your head anyway, you went through, you know? Wow. you post that other thing about.
Yeah, man. So your steps, as you can see. Yes, the main serve. Quick and simple. This is my brown stew fish. Funny. So delicious. Okay, so watch the video until the end. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One fire, all fire. You know what to do? You want to know? And do it to your best ability. So until next video, peace out.